shirt right now. This is a new shirt. My birthday was Friday, and I will be making one of my rainbow loom designs that I have made it myself. And in case you think that you need the whole loom, today you don't. So you will only need 4 pegs in a square position like this. Like, I'm only going to use these 4. So, without further ado. Okay, so first of all, sorry, that's okay. So I am going to show you colors that we need, and of course we need a hook with the pegs. And you will need your cupcake bottom color because it is going to be 3D. I just go along with this, so I know the design. I don't exactly know how many rubber bands, but at least 5. Maybe 4. I don't know, but at least 4 is what I know, and probably 5 though. So I will be doing the cherry on top and vanilla cake, the actual cake, and strawberry frosting, because I found that looks that I like that one the most. You guys can switch it up to whatever colors you like, and along with the pink, we will of course need red. We only need 2 red, and we only need 2 red today, and we will also be needing some green. I recommend something like this. And in case you guys want to know, so I use iMovie for my YouTube video editing, in case you are wanting to start your own YouTube channel and I have inspired you, or perhaps another YouTuber has inspired you. So now let's get into the miniature 3D cupcake for my birthday. Let's go. Okay, so we are going to use this, and I will show you what it looks like in the end, but your first step is to cross it like this, your cake color, and then you make it, hold on, and then you twist it like this to get it right there. And lastly, you will need it to twist one more time, and from my past experience, you will need to twist it 2 more times because one is going to be off. And then you are going to push that all the way down, and make sure that, and of course you can't have a middle one, or if you do have a middle one, just make sure that you use 1, 2, 3, and 4. There's an open space in here, like 1, 2, 3, and 4. So that is my recommendation. It can be done otherwise, but it is very difficult if you do it a different way. So then you are going to put it 1 rubber band, not double. In this whole video, I will tell you otherwise if it is less than 1, if it is more than 1 band. But see, it should look like this from the side. There should be 2 rows. 1, 2. And it should look like this from the top. And this from the bottom. So then you are going to, so usually with bracelets, you hook the top one, but with this one, you are going to need to hook the bottom one. Hold on, got that backwards. So you will grab the bottom one. You will need to grab the bottom one right here. Oh, and this is not a beginner's design. If you are new at Rainbow Loom, I would suggest that you go to one of my other videos, my earlier ones or later ones. I don't know when this video will be released, and follow the simplest design that the one that looks simplest to you, and follow that video. And this is probably, if there were 4 levels, it would be level 3. So not top, I can't do advanced yet, but I can do level 1, 2, and 3. So not 4 yet. In my perspective, I group them like that. So of course, I will show you what it looks like after this step. And so now, hold on guys, I need to push these down. My instinct is to just naturally push them down after I finish this step. So it should look something like that, and then push your bands all the way down your pegs. Now you will repeat step 2 3 more times. I'll see you guys when that happens. And got an extra bit there. Okay, almost there, and then I will show you the next step, guys. Alright. And okay, so this is what it'll look like, and you should have done it a total of 5 times, including the first step when you use the pegs and the band. And of course, I forgot this, so my sisters will already, I can't remember if they already have one or if they are making one. One of them is called the Sisters Channel, and I think that one is called Sammy Slime, and I don't know what the third one is called yet because that one isn't released, but the first 2 I'm pretty sure are released by now. And the Sisters Channel is me, my sister Sammy, and my other sister Amelia. And in case you didn't know this, we are also a foster family, so we might also have another channel soon. I hope that we do, besides the other one for Amelia. So I will show you now the next step. Just didn't want to forget announcing my sister's channels because they always announce mine in their videos, and I'm grateful for that. So now I'm going to announce theirs. So now you are going to make one like this, and no, don't repeat the first step. This step requires 2 bands, so you will make it look like that without the hooking. Now, of course, hook the bottom, and never hook the top first with my 3D creations unless I tell you otherwise. So you will probably not see a hook only video soon. So here is this. That's what it looks like. And now we are going to this one, and then 2 layered one, and then one more step for the pink. So after this step, after this hooking, we will only have 2 more steps, including the hooking for those 2 steps. So this is, well, for the pink ones, this is what it should look like now, guys. And then repeat that step, but instead double bands. Don't twist them, but double them. So 2 bands at a time. Oh, I forgot to push them down. Far enough, at least. So push them down all the way. And then 2 bands at a time. Make sure to put them like this, 2 at a time, and then put them on together at the same time. Because I learned that the hard way. It's not going to work otherwise. Alright. Now, oh, and in case I forgot to say, you go in a square. Otherwise, wait, hold on. Otherwise, it's not going to work. You have to do it in a circle or a square, whatever I do. But you have to go in that direction, and it's like a circle. You don't do half, pick up, 1/4, pick up, 1/4. That would make it look very messy. But it's kind of like this. So then 2 bands at a time again. Now we hook the bottom 2 layers on this part. Well, not 2 layers, but 2 bands, it looks like. On 2 bands on 1 peg before this one for the step. Sorry guys, I haven't done a video in a while, so this is really hard for me to do one again after it's been so long since my very first video. This is my first ever video, so now I will show you second to last, the last step for the pink bands. Alright, now crisscross with pink. And of course, push down the bands before you do that. Make sure you can do 1, 2, 3, or all at the same time. As long as you don't do top band that is on the peg, because then it won't work and it will break. I learned most of these tips the hard way, unless I watched another YouTuber with Rainbow Loom. That's what inspired me to do this, guys. So hope that I inspire you one time or another YouTuber does, because I was 8 or 9 when I did my first 8 or 9 when I did my first video, because I was inspired. So hope that you guys are inspired, and kids usually get inspired, not grown up, but usually it's kids. So if you're a kid out there, make sure to if I'm on YouTube Kids, that's what I had to use. Oh, and I am now 12 years, of course, but kids, make sure to use Kids YouTube and not something else. This might look like an ice cream cone. Either one, it'll be fine, but it's intended to be a cupcake. You guys might not get it at first. A lot of people that I showed it to first did not get it at first, so then you will group all 4 on 2 pegs. So 1, 2, so you basically just So there was hold on. There was crisscross, and then this one went up here. This one went up here. This one could go up there. This one can go up there. Any way that you like, guys. Just make sure that it's 2 bands, that it's 2 pegs, and it can be this one, this one, this one, and this one, this one, and this one, this one, and this one, or this one and this one. I would not recommend these 2 or these 2. That makes it very hard. Okay, so now with the cherry, double bands, so 2 at a time, put it across both of those pegs. Sorry guys, my looms are a little bit rusty because taking them apart so much, they look rusty a lot. So yeah, and now you make the stem. There is that. Now you do that. You hook it up after you put on the green on top of the double bands. I forgot to show you that. Then you take it off like this, and then pull one and put it down. Then pull this one up and this one up and into the middle. Drop it. Pull the one that was still on your finger, and after you've taken it off, and it looks like an ice cream cone, but it was intended to be a cupcake. It might be a cupcake to you guys or an ice cream cone, whichever one you like. If you wanted the cupcake, I recommend that you do the crisscross pink. For this pink, for only the pink is what you need to change. 1 layer crisscross, 1 layer double, 1 layer crisscross, and then that's the only thing that you need to change. Just take out the second layer of pink, and that will lead to it being good. And I'm going to put that like that. And hope you like this video, guys. See you later. Bye.